KIAMA Ka Odm ikebelete EDWIN SIFUNA ya MWANDIKI MUNENE na OMANYO ni wenende ukethira ukiota ila kanya kakie SIFUNA kioloto ikwethira nende atina mitugo ira witaniria na watho bwa KIAMA ki kaitona ka umutongeri wa KIAMA ki OBURU ODINGA nona nite kurea kwaniro ko kene ya KIAMA BATIKUTHINGATIIRA mutaratara ya KIAMA Ka Odm mwaniketwandeto Caleb Mutembei na utwandeto Ekinya.
6. Party discipline and leadership. The NEC expressed grave concern over the rising levels of indiscipline within the party, particularly at the senior leadership level. The committee underscored that ODM is governed by its constitution, the rule of law, and collective decision-making through its duly constituted organs. Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator EDWIN SIFUNA, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws. Effectively, the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable yours truly, OMANYO, will act in this position until a substantive holder of the position is elected.